Volkswagen Golf Mark 8 is full of great features and technology, and the interior of this latest version of the car has been totally updated. In keeping with the clean, contemporary style, there's the minimum number of buttons to fully control everything in the vehicle. These are focused in several key areas. There's a haptic button panel below the main central screen, or infotainment system. Although smooth to the touch, these buttons give positive feedback when selected. From here, you can select the shortcut to driver assistance systems, access the parking menu and settings, the climate control settings, hazard lights, and depending on the vehicle trim level, the driving modes. The infotainment screen is another way to operate many of the controls of your car and has a host of menu systems within it. Its bright, high-resolution touchscreen is responsive and accurate. Just below the infotainment screen is a haptic slider control, which can be operated by single touches or by sliding your finger along. The slide bar has temperature controls for the driver and passenger sides of the cabin, which are separated by this volume control for the audio system. In front of the driver is the 10.25-inch digital cockpit, which is standard on all cars and is configurable via the buttons on the multi-function steering wheel. To the right of the steering wheel is a quick access panel for switching between different states of lighting, as well as controlling the demisting of front or rear screens. In the centre console, you have your gear stick, as well as handbrake controls, including the hill hold control, which will allow the car to automatically apply and release the handbrake when performing a hill start. As all new Golfs are effectively keyless cars, here you'll also find the start-stop button. For cars with a DSG gearbox, there will be a gear selector switch in place of the gear stick. Everything you need right at your fingertips.